In this tutorial, we will cover how to extract information from a date or a timestamp. To do this, we will be using the DateTime field extract node. This node extracts individual pieces of information from a timestamp and creates a new column with this data. First, in this workflow, we will start with our data. This is a simple data set with a date-time column and a count column. It is important here that the date-time column must be a timestamp type or a date type. Next, we can use the DateTime field extract node. Here in the configuration pane, we can choose which types of information we would like to extract from this date-time column. If set to true, each one of these options will extract that piece of information and create a new column. Now we can execute this workflow. Here in the execution pane, we can see that the original columns still exist, the date time and the count columns. In addition to that, a separate column has been created for each piece of information that we chose to extract from the date time column. Thank you for listening.